the rides that we go on takes us through Millington Pastures. We're at Millington Pastures now. Just going through a descent which is kind of interesting. You'll see what I mean. It's a nice S-bend, very picturesque. Descending now. Yesterday morning it was covered in snow here. You can see the right on top of the rolls now. Round one bend you can see the road down below. Very technical part of the ride. Down the next bend. And then down towards the valley bottom. This is part of the route of the Way of the Roses. Some people call it Millington's Bottom. I guess it's because it's the bottom of Millington. Still descending. Natural springs down here. There's often water running across the road and the springs get high. Anyway, I'm going to pull over and turn the camera off now. Turn the camera around so you can see the countryside.